Digital Marketing Diary Episode 1 Organising My Own Academy. I have had my own 6 Minute Strategist Academy for several years, but it has not really been at the top of my marketing strategy, something that needs to change. As I have 41 published courses in this academy, it represents an enormous body of work and commitment of time and resources on my part. It's time it started to earn its keep. The first step is to organise my courses into 3 distinct groups, which represent the subjects I create courses on: entrepreneur finance, digital marketing, and online course expertise. Entrepreneur finance. This topic reflects my investment banking expertise and covers everything from venture capital finance to business development. These courses do particularly well on other platforms, and I know they have been created with entrepreneurs in mind. I'm very proud of these courses and will definitely be adding to the suite in the coming months. Digital marketing. This topic covers everything that I do to develop my own digital business. So if this digital marketing diary becomes a course, this is where it would belong. Here I am covering copywriting, LinkedIn, public speaking, Fiverr and webinars, to name just a few topics. As my business develops, I always document what I do, and these become my next courses, sharing my expertise and experience with you. Online course expertise. As one of the early adopters in the online course business, I have been making courses now for 5 years. This is where I share that expertise and experience. I love creating courses and helping other digital entrepreneurs to do so too. This is where you will find all my online course expertise concentrated. I have also standardized all my course images and labeled them with a topic label to make the Academy easier to understand when students first arrive. The images are also color-coded, and I've organised them by topic. The memberships and bundles are at the top. More on these in a moment. I have also sorted out the categories in the Academy to reflect the topics, so now it's much easier to use the category search to find what you're looking for. Membership and bundles. A great way for my students to enrol is through my 6 Minute Academy memberships or course bundles. From an instructor's perspective, developing a membership is a great way to enhance your business, as these cash flows become regular, providing you manage to keep adding members faster than you lose them. Students leaving a membership is perfectly normal. It's called churn. And the trick is to keep your rate of new subscribers significantly higher than your churn rate. I have had a subscription for all my courses, which is currently $27 a month. This covers over 40 courses, so represents amazing value. I also recognise that some of my students are only interested in one of my primary topics, so one of today's tasks is to create 3 more memberships based on these topics. These will be priced at $12 a month, so it's more economical just to take 1 or 2 if that's where your interest lies, but there's still a discount for 3 by taking the Academy membership. I have also bundled my webinar courses into a group, which enables me to sell them as a bundle for a one-off price, but these are not currently going to be made into a membership on their own. They are all available in the digital marketing membership. To sum up, this sets up my 6 Minute Strategist Academy not only for course sales, which should now be easier to deliver, but also establishes the foundation for me to start to grow my membership, which is a crucial part of my business growth strategy. How can this help you? I want you to think about establishing your own academy, either in Teachable or Thinkific. This will allow you to start building your sales and your student body on a platform that you control. Think about how you can organise it to make it easy to navigate around and easy to find courses. Memberships should be an important part of your business strategy, so at the very least, set up a subscription membership for the whole of your academy. As you get more courses published, you can develop this if you have several different major course topic groupings into several sub-memberships, as I have done. Consider how you can group some of your courses into bundles. These can be priced attractively, and the bundles themselves can be the subject of a promotion to your list at some point in the future. If you have any questions about digital marketing, why not reach out to me and see how I can help you.